So here's what I got. I got 4 tomato fans. I got 6 of these shepherd's hooks, and then 4 of these. I don't even know what they are, but I have a vision. I'll show you. Come on. I've just been pulling weeds, but these were actually gloves. I keep on getting prickled by the thistles, so I wouldn't recommend these. I got them as a gift from my mom and I'm very thankful, but if you're gonna buy them yourself, maybe don't. All right, so this is what I'm thinking. Just gonna go in. Do you see the vision? I'm gonna keep it this and finish it off, and then I'll show you when I'm done, and then I'll give you a little tour. All right, so these are all up. It's so hard to see because they're green, but all the way down, and now I'm just gonna spend some time working these up. The only worry that I have is that I can't get into the middle there, but maybe I can like unhook them. I'm so hot in my face. I'm like squinting so bad I'm gonna get wrinkles, so I just put on my cowboy hat. Yeehaw, baby. Realizing that I should probably buy an actual sun hat, but it ain't pretty, but it'll work. Victory. And this is the tomato situation that I've got going on right now. So yesterday I came in here and I cut off a bunch of things, and this is just one side, but I'm already seeing an improvement in how these are looking. I tied them all up a while ago, but it's just, I don't know what I'm doing, so not enough. We have so many tomatoes coming in, especially these cherries. It's absurd how many flowers there are, so I just want to make sure that oh, we have pepper flowers. These peppers had, anyway, I'll talk about the tomatoes still. I don't know, there's just so much going on in there. It's such a jungle, so wish me luck, but it's honestly too hot to be out here at the moment, so I'm gonna take a break, eat some lunch, and probably come back out later this afternoon or this evening. But breeze feels nice.